You're about to watch the Pauly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Alright, so yeah, you're looking at the Old Country Barbecue Pits Pecos offset smoker, and you all know by now I'm really enjoying this and using it. These things are fun to use. They're easy to use. But I do have a question. My question goes out to all the offset smoker experts as well as those hair splitting scientists. Let me begin the question with this comment. Y'all know I have no plans on extending the stack, putting bricks in the firebox. I really don't need to do any more mods to this thing to improve its performance at all. I'm just going to use it and take care of it. I guess you could say spraying oil on the outside of it is a mod, but not really. Here's the question. Why do you extend the stack? Do you really need a taller chimney? Most of the time the answer I get is to get better airflow. Now, better airflow to me just means a hotter fire. So why would you want a hotter fire? Tell me that. Most of the time I'm fighting the fire being too hot. Trying to maintain a low temperature below 250 at least. So I don't really need more airflow. I need lower temperature control. And I've been able to establish that in using both splits and chunks. And it does work pretty well, but I don't need more airflow to make it hotter. And with the hotter fire, you're gonna burn more wood. I have no problem getting a temperature, a desired temperature here on this or the Grand Champ. Never had a problem with it. Yeah, I'm not getting any stagnant, dirty smoke taste about anything I've smoked in this thing so far. So, is there another answer? It just makes no sense to me. And for me, I will continue to use this offset just the way I have been. Now, if any of you offset smoker experts or hair splitting scientists can give me the good answer, I'll appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'm Paul.